Hello, it's Mark with the Home Reviewer, and today we are taking a look at this Acer Aspire 3 laptop. Now, this came as a bundle. Now, inside of the box over here, we've obviously got our setup guide. We've also got, just bits of paper really, and then we've got this over here. So we won't really look at that. I'm guessing this over here will be our subscription to Microsoft. Let me open this up. Let's just have a look really quickly. This is our passport, basically a setup guide, I'm guessing. So let's have a look at this actual thing. So it comes with a wireless mouse, and then the actual laptop comes inside of this sleeve here. So this is how it looks. Now, this model here, this has got a 15.6 inch screen. It's got 128 gig storage, and let me just move this back a bit for you here so you can see this. So this is the keyboard, how it looks, pretty thin in there, to be honest with you. Now, this laptop over here, the reason why we bought this is obviously the price is relatively cheap. Now, overall, for a laptop, it's a great all-rounder. So, we can do all of the basic stuff that you would normally do online. It also comes with a year's subscription to Microsoft, okay? So overall, it's pretty cool. Now, it comes with an Intel Celeron CPU with 4 gig of RAM, and then it's got 128 gig of storage. Now, as I've mentioned, the screen here, let me just lift this up for you. The screen is 15.6 inches, so it's a relatively decent sized screen. Now, also inside of the pack here, it also came with the chargers. So, it's just a pretty standard thing. So we've got this over here, and then we've got our power supply as well. Now, I'm guessing it has no power in it to start off with. No, it doesn't. So I'll very quickly put this into the laptop. So let me just plug this in for a second. Okay, so we've gone ahead and got it connected to the internet, and when I've signed into my account, it's automatically brought in all of my old files on here. Now, in terms of the actual features of this, so the battery life with this laptop is 9 hours, and in terms of weight, it says it comes in at 1.9 kilograms. But like I said, overall, this is just going to be a laptop for, doing some work on different spreadsheets, browsing the internet, and the usual stuff. But let's see how quick it actually loads up. So we're going to click on here, and we can see here, what's it doing here? It looks like okay, welcome. Let me just click on, I'll just click on yes, continue for now. Just going to click on this. Come on, I want to see how quick. Don't allow. I'm going to click on here. Oh, blimey. I just want to get onto a website. Here we go. So we are on here. So it's loading up now. So let's see how quickly this loads up. So let's very quickly just type in youtube.com and let's see how quick. So you can see over here, it does load relatively quickly. Let's go on this one. Yeah, so it's loading up each web page pretty quick, as expected for something of, this price and this standard. So let me just come down here and go over here. Let's just quickly try opening up another page. So we'll type in not taught at school, and we'll see how quickly it just loads up, random web pages. So you can see over here, it loads up pretty quickly. Quite impressed with it. And obviously it comes with a year's subscription to Microsoft. So this includes, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. The other features of this is the screen. As I mentioned, it's 15.6 inch screen. It's full HD display with a 1920 1080 resolution. So, pretty standard for what we'd expect for something along this sort of price point down here. Now, in terms of the interfaces and the connectivity, we have got 2 USB 2.0 ports. We've got 1 USB 3 port. Then we've got an Ethernet port, a HDMI port, headphones jack, Bluetooth, and obviously Wi-Fi enabled. And then we've also got a built-in webcam, which is, it's pretty standard for most laptops now to come with a built-in webcam. And then it comes with a 30-day Norton security, and it's covered with a 1-year guarantee. But overall, for a laptop at this, this price point, this way, I'm pretty happy with it. So let me know in the comments down below. Have you got this laptop? Do you like it? Would you recommend it? So yeah, that's enough for today's video. That there is the Acer Aspire 3. So we'll see you in the next one.